Hi guys, welcome back. This is Surud. Welcome to my channel. Let's continue with our motorcycle buying guide series. This is part 4. If you've not seen the other 3 parts, please check for the links in the description below. Let's start riding. Let's continue. If you've not seen the other 3 parts, the links are in the description below. Please check those videos out, very important, and then come back to this video. As you all know, we have broken down skill levels from skill A to skill D, skill A being the least experience level motorcycles. In this video we are going to look at the level C type of motorcycles or slightly experienced level motorcycles. So the first motorcycle that comes to mind in this level is the Honda CBR 650F. F is for the fairing. It appears a super sport, but it is not a super sport, it is a commuter. It is not having that much dedicated seating arrangement. It is more upright. So this is more like a commuter, but looks like a super sport. Being a Honda, it is very reliable and the performance also is going to be very good. It has got ABS for braking and it has got liquid cooling, so heating will not be a big problem. It has a BHP of 84 and weighs 215 kgs. So the power to weight ratio is okay, not that great, but not bad at all. It's a 648cc engine, inline 4, so it gives a beautiful sound. And for 7.6 lakhs ex-showroom, you're going to get an inline 4 Honda. There couldn't be a better deal than this. But remember, this cannot be your first bike. This can be your second bike or an additional bike. Next bike that comes to mind is the Ducati Scrambler Icon. So I stress upon the Icon variant of the Scrambler. Being a Ducati, it's a 2-cylinder L-twin engine having fantastic Brembo brakes for front and back. So it has got fantastic stopping power. ABS comes as standard. Its power is 73 bhp and it weighs 186 kgs. So the power to weight ratio is not bad at all. This bike has a little bit more off-roading capability than other bikes, but it's not an off-road bike, remember that. It's an everyday bike, it's a fantastic commuter, it's a weekend rider's bike. For the price of 9 lakhs, this is best in class for all what you get with this bike. It's kind of a do-it-all multi-purpose motorcycle. You can say the jack of all trades. This can be your first sports bike. It can be also your first bike. The next bike that comes to mind is the Kawasaki Versys 650. If you are thinking adventure, if you are thinking adventure tourer, then this is the only and the best option that you can get at around 7 lakhs of rupees. This, in my opinion, is the best in class for the price tag as an adventure motorcycle. It has got 650cc engine. Its power is 67 bhp and it weighs 216 kgs. It has got ABS as standard. It has got very good off-roading ability. It offers panniers so you can carry a lot of luggage with you. It has got an upright sitting posture, so it is very comfortable for very long rides. It has got a very good windscreen, so riding on the highways is a pleasure. Even the ground clearance of this motorcycle is one of the highest, so very good for our roads. So around 7 lakhs of rupees, you're getting an adventure tourer motorcycle, which is, in my opinion, the best adventure bike for this price tag. So there were only 3 motorcycles which I consider to be the best options to buy when it comes to level C or experience C in our motorcycle buying guide. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please share the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for the next part. Ride safe guys, always wear a helmet, and as always guys, have a nice day.